Kadiri ko na makinuha ni Attorney Jason Pero. Attorney, as may abogado kan mga public servant, any comment reaction kay ti nagdabang sitwasyon ti national government, especially ti presidente, ken ti ni Senador Amy Marcos. Han nga kading apektado ti local gobyerno, especially
definitely maapektaran ti local government unit iti Ilocos Norte at ada political instability nga mapasamak apo because of two giants colliding with each other apo, and dagiti nabababa agit maipit da no sino ti papananda at you cannot serve two masters at the same time, either you love or hate the other.
Okay. So, ano ti epekto na malaksit iti panagtaray ti gobyerno ti provincial, particular ti syudad, para kada kayo, attorney, as public servant, kanina to sitwasyon na muna, danigiti na dagsan ng aligasyon ni Senator Amy Marcos.
When DJ drug addiction, of course, that is something so scandalous with talaga. As a government official, like you should not be doing the same. Now, the problem now, you are confronted with the issue as to keeping a family secret to yourselves or going to divulge it to the public for whatever the effect it may bring to us. So, tradition natin mga Pilipino, we do not really, we keep it within the walls of a family, those secrets. As a matter of fact, we usually bring it to our grave. But in this case, it is very different. I do not know what may have been the motive or what compelled Senator Amy Marcos in stating the same. But of course, with such declaration, all the doubts that people may have given to the first family during those previous years of rumor that they were into drug use will already cast any doubt as to such rumor already. It will confirm already the long time rumor because of this allegation coming from a very member of his own family.
Okay. Adun may mga attorney parang disimpatsat tao na pangkin ni Presidente Marcos Jr. ay nagbalin nga or rakurak niya po Senator Amy Marcos. So, mas pabortat ta kasi ado giti makayat nga magpababay ti presidente ado giti especially kaniti kampo iti bangin.
Yes, definitely. As a Filipino, as I've been saying 100 times, it is against our tradition, such declaration. But of course, remember they are all public officials. They have also duties, not only to their family, but to our society. So we do not know what will be the effect in the future. But as of now, the sympathy will go in favor to President Marcos, considering of our culture, our family values as a Filipino. But in terms of public service, we have a different language. We must weed out all bad habits, all bad attitudes in order to serve well our constituents.
Okay. Attorney, ti syudad Talwag, kandidat ang sitwasyon. Lately lang, nagpirma ni Mayor para kaniti suporta ti presidente and even ti Congressman Sandro Marcos. Di isang gunyang bayan o isang gunyang palusot ti syudad Talwag, attorney.
I try to brought that out in our council among ourselves. But of course, as I stated, many politicians will be greatly affected in making a stand as to whom are they going to choose. So I was then being requested not to pass any resolution to that effect in order not to compel or compromise other members to make a stand because that is somewhat like a loyalty check already to whose sides they are going to.
Okay. So